Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we're going to be making a brand new split pony. I'm going to be making Rainbow Dash and Scootaloo. So this one is going to be a lot of fun. Scootaloo actually looks a lot like Rainbow Dash and they are really good friends. Before we start, if you like the split pony customs I've been making, please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see split ponies of the other two Cutie Mark Crusaders. And this is the figure that I'm going to be using for the custom. This one is Rainbow Dash from the Guardians of Harmony, and the reason why I picked her is because her hair is already molded. So all we have to do is paint. Alright, let's get started. So on this figure, Rainbow Dash has long hair on this side. So this is the side that we're going to keep as Rainbow Dash. And on this side, we're going to turn into Scootaloo. So the first thing we're going to do is take some tape, and we're going to tape it right across the middle so that it'll be easier to paint. I'm going to do this by taking off Rainbow Dash's tail and wings. We're going to do this both around the head and the body, all the way around. Next, we're going to use air dry clay to make Scootaloo's hair. She has a few strands of short hair sticking up in the back. Once the hair is dried, we can paint. We're going to paint Scootaloo's side orange. This is going to take a few coats in order to get that nice orange color. For the mane, we're going to paint it magenta. Now let's take off this tape. And as you can see, we have a nice clean line right down the middle. We're also going to paint half the tail a magenta color. Next, we're going to repaint the eyes. We're going to start with the white. Then we're going to add the light purple irises, the black pupils. We're also going to reline the eyes and add eyelashes. And dot the eyes with white. Finally, we're going to add in her cutie mark. Because it's so detailed, I'm going to use Sharpies instead of paint. On Rainbow Dash's side, we're going to repaint the eyes a little bit just so that it matches Scootaloo's side. So we're going to start with the white, the irises, then the pupils. Then we're going to add in her cutie mark, also using Sharpies. Alright everyone, so we are done and take a look. So this side is mostly unchanged. We did recolor the eyes just so that it's a little bit brighter, and we also repainted the cutie mark because it didn't have it on this side of Rainbow Dash. On the other side, of course, is Scootaloo, and take a look at her. She is orange and she has purple eyes and magenta hair. And we did add this little bit of hair in the back that sticks up with air dry clay. And of course, her tail is also the same magenta color, and we added in her cutie mark. So I think she looks really cool, has half Scootaloo and half Rainbow Dash. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my split pony. And if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.